In front of me is OnePlus Pad 3, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off high performance mode. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Now tap on Battery section after scrolling down over here. Then click on Battery Mode. Choose High Performance Mode by clicking on it and turn it on by confirming your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, High Performance is on. To turn it off, hit Battery Mode again and tap on any other one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!